Hey, what's up, dancers? I just wanted to hop on and this week just speak to you pretty informally. I've been working with a couple of my dancer clients recently and noticed a theme that seems to be coming up a lot lately, and I wanted to talk with you about it today. And that theme is bad turning days. And we all experience them as dancers, whether it's from an imbalance in your inner ear, if you have a cold or something, or whether just you're mentally in a funky spot, or if there's something glitching in your technique. Whatever is causing the bad turning days, we all deal with them from time to time. And I noticed in my dancer clients that their frustration really can linger, and then that can start to cause other problems, like outside of their turns, can affect the rest of their class. And I imagine that some of you might also be dealing with that. So I just have a few informal tips for you today. The first of which is try to let bad turn days go. I think sometimes we carry the mental stigma of falling out of our turns throughout the class into the next week's class and then into the next week's class. And it starts to be this like storm cloud above our head that just keeps following us around. Try to think of your turning days in day-type compartments. Yeah, yesterday was not my best turning day, and leave it shut off in that day-type compartment. Allow yourself a fresh start every time you step into the studio, and your mind will be much more freed up for you to be awesome at your turns. Another tip for overcoming bad turning days is to take a few days off. Taking a few days off, or even a week, if you can allow yourself to do that, will give your body and your mind a reset. Sometimes we hang on to these bad technique habits that just kind of stick around, and taking a day or two or a week, up to a week off, can often allow your brain and your body to have a little reset moment, a time that you can disconnect, and it's almost like your brain and your body can forget those bad little technique glitches that are keeping you from turning your best. And finally, if you're having a bad turning day, I would recommend having someone take a look at your turns. Having an outside eye kind of looking at your alignment from the front and also from the side can really give you great insights into why your turns aren't working for you. In any of these cases, I hope that you show yourself grace as we all deal with bad turning days. Remember to let those days go so that you can be freed up mentally to move on, so that you can be awesome at the turning days in front of you. If you found this helpful, be sure you follow me on Instagram, like and subscribe to this video so you never miss a helpful hint aimed at helping you become the best dancer you can be. That's all for this week. I'll see you next 360 Thursday. Until then, dancer, keep shining with all that you are.